Hello, hello, and welcome to the Crisis Comms Mastery Summit. I'm so excited to be here. We've been promoting this for a long time just because how much we believe in what this whole event is all about.
All right, hi everybody. Thanks for joining this Crisis Comms Mastery Virtual Summit session.
Leadership is not created during crisis, it is exposed during crisis.
What's important really is always that you own your own narrative. And so to the extent that you do that in a crisis, it's an opportunity to make sure, however bad the situation is, that you have created the narrative and the way it's being talked about.
So I mentioned smoldering issues and the fact that smoldering issues and smoldering crises are more than twice as likely to become a crisis as a catastrophe.
How can we do this? How can we rebuild trust beyond the efforts of the company? But me specifically as leader, what can I do? And one of the short answers is essentially to really grapple with this outside-in perspective and understand what the outside world is telling you and how you need to use that to shape the type of communications that are more effective than they might otherwise be.
You're not just trying to get through the crisis at hand, right? It's certainly important in the middle of a crisis that you do what you say you're going to do. But what do you do after the crisis is over?
Everything you do and everything you do not do is an action. Everything you say and everything you do not say is a communication.
Think about where are all the different places that I should be looking for chatter about my organization, my industry, or something that could affect my company.
It's your job as the core, as a crisis communications professional, to inspire that inspiration, especially in the person who's going to be the spokesperson.
Just look back at every crisis you've ever seen happen, every scandal you've seen happen. I know you said to yourself, you've got to be kidding. You're telling me nobody knew about that?